You now know the 5 insights areas. You know how to analyze your business from different perspectives. But opening 5 areas separately every day just to keep track of things, you don't have to. In this video, we'll build your dashboard, the place where everything comes together. Dashboards are the home screen of Leadtime. Every time you open Leadtime, you land here. On first launch, you see a pre-configured default dashboard called Overview. It already contains a few basic widgets like task lists, calendars, and notifications. But the real power is that you can build your own dashboards, and every user can do this for themselves. A CEO needs different information than a developer, and a project manager needs different views than a sales rep. Everyone can set up exactly the view that's most relevant to their work. You create a new dashboard in the top right corner via Add Dashboard. Enter a name, confirm, and you have a blank canvas ready to fill with widgets. You can create as many dashboards as you need. For example, one for your daily routine, one for controlling, and one for the weekly overview. Widgets are the building blocks of a dashboard. Each widget either displays information or offers a tool you can use directly from the dashboard. To add a widget, click Add Widget, choose a type from the drop-down menu, and click Add. There's a whole range of widget types. I'll go through them by category. First, the personal productivity widgets. These are the tools you need for your own daily work. The time tracker widget. This lets you book time directly from the dashboard. Select a task, specify the activity, add a comment, and with one click the timer is running. Perfect when you're switching between tasks all day. The attendance widget. Your quick check-in. Here you clock in and out, pick your mood, and leave a short note, like lots of testing planned today. No detour through the time tracking module. The calendar widget shows your personal calendar in different modes: attendance, mood tracker, time bookings, or billable time. You configure which view appears by default. The time statistics widget. These are the daily rings you know from time tracking: attendance time, documented time, billable time. Here you see your daily progress and how close you are to your goal. And the stack widget. This shows your personal work pipeline, the stacks from the pipeline video. Ideal for developers who work through their tasks by priority. Next, the task and project widgets. The tasks. Widget shows tickets from the ticket system, either your own or project specific. You keep track of what's open, what's being worked on, and what's done. The project widget shows active or completed projects in a list or Kanban view. You can filter by internal projects, external projects, or sales opportunities. The estimates widget shows offers from sales. For example, open offers, offers in negotiation, or closed deals. This keeps the sales status in view without opening the offers area separately. Now the insights widgets. These are exactly the analyses you learned about in the last video. Every preset you saved in Insights can be embedded here as a widget. The Project Insights widget shows project analyses, like hour distribution, budget usage, or task status across multiple projects. The Staff Insights widget shows employee analyses, utilization, billable hours, distribution by team. The Goal Insights widget shows the goal charts, the donut rings with attendance, booking, and billable time, plus the value group distribution. The Turnover Insights widget shows revenue statistics, revenue per customer, monthly trends, planned versus actual, and the Workload Insights widget shows ticket workload, which projects are overloaded, where capacity is available. And finally, the Communication and Organization widgets. The Notifications widget shows the latest system messages, updates from projects, tasks, or comments. You can configure whether all or only unread notifications are shown. And the Organizations widget embeds views from the Organizations area, like customers with open projects or active sales opportunities. This gives your dashboard a CRM perspective. Let's build a real dashboard now. I'll take the perspective of a CEO or team lead who opens Leadtime in the morning and wants to instantly see how the business is doing. I create a new dashboard and name it Controlling. First widget, Goal Insights. I select a preset that shows me the team performance this week, all employees, individual, this week. This gives me the donut charts for each team member side by side, and I can immediately see whether the team is on track. I make this widget wide, 6 columns, full width, because here I want to see all employees next to each other. Second widget, Turnover Insights. I select the preset for revenue development since the start of the year, broken down by revenue type. This shows me the monthly revenue trend at a glance, 3 columns wide, so half the screen. Third widget, Workload Insights. Next to it, also 3 columns. Here I see where tickets are piling up. The Today preset by project. Fourth widget, Project Widget. 2 columns wide. Active external projects in a compact list. Quick access to the detail views. Fifth widget, Notifications. 2 columns wide next to it. The latest system messages. And a sixth widget, Estimates. 2 columns. Open offers in view. Now I click Compact to automatically optimize the layout. The widgets move together, no gaps. Then I leave Edit mode. And this is my controlling dashboard. 6 widgets, 1 page, everything important at a glance. Now the other perspective. What does a developer or project manager need for their daily work? I create a new dashboard and name it My Day. Top left, the Attendance widget. 2 columns. Open it in the morning, check in with 1 click. Next to it, the Time Statistics widget. 2 columns. The daily rings show me how far along I am today. Next to that, the Calendar widget. 2 columns. My weekly overview, which days are booked, where something is still missing. Below that, the Stack widget. 3 columns. My personal pipeline, the tasks I want to work through today and this week. Next to it, the Tasks widget. 3 columns. My open tickets from all projects. And below that, the Time Tracker widget. 6 columns, full width. This is where I book my time throughout the day without switching pages. Compact, leave Edit mode, done. A dashboard tailored to the daily workflow. Check-in, overview, tasks, time tracking, all on 1 page. A few more things about managing widgets. Every widget has 3 buttons at the top. Configure. This is where you change settings. For example, which chart, preset and insights widget shows, or which calendar mode the calendar widget uses. Duplicate creates a copy of the widget that you can then configure differently. And delete removes the widget from the dashboard. You adjust the size using the arrows at the bottom edge. Width from 1 to 6 columns, height freely scalable, and with drag and drop you move widgets to the position you want. Remember, you can create as many dashboards as you like. 1 dashboard for daily operations, 1 for weekly controlling, 1 specifically for sales. You switch between them at the top. The dashboard is your personal cockpit. You decide what you see, how large it's displayed, and how it's arranged. Everyone on your team can build their own dashboard, tailored to their role and their work rhythm. The Insights presets you created in the last video flow directly in as widgets. The numbers that matter right now are always in view. This wraps up the second block of the video series. You now have all the tools to efficiently manage your day-to-day operations, from time tracking to billing, from insights to your dashboard. In the third block, we'll focus on standardization, how you use products, project templates, and the component library to set up your processes so they're repeatable and scalable. That's the step from a functioning operation to a system that becomes fundamentally faster.